Today we're working on a 2013 Jeep Wrangler that failed the state emission test, and it failed by a code P0128. Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now P0128 is a pretty simple thing. It means the engine's not warming up fast enough. But that's not why I wanted to talk to you about this Jeep today. If you're not aware of it, the ADEQ, which stands for Arizona Department of Environmental Quality, has a program to offer assistance for emission repairs. They will pay up to $900 towards your emission repair. And it doesn't matter what your income level is. There is some criteria, so you wanted to go to the ADEQ website to check it out. But anyway, this client is taking advantage of that, and we are one of the qualified shops to do it. And so we're going to get him through emissions. He's going to be able to register his vehicle, and everything's going to be good to go. So I hope this has been informational to you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.